It's a great day to be a bad bitch, so I'm gonna do my makeup. Already know the drill, forever and always. Just got back from a trip and I'm so happy to be home. I've literally been Mrs. Worldwide this month to Phoenix like a week ago, and then I had like 5 days at home, and then I went to New Mexico. Just got on the House Lab concealer train and y'all knew what you were talking about, okay? This is good. Nice to just be back at my vanity doing my makeup. I'm whole again. Really want to get my glam room together this month. Only thing is I want my dad to like build something for this wall, and he can't right now, and I can't find anything that's like gonna be as good as what he'll make me. He's an engineer, so that man can Bob the Builder me literally anything I ask. I'm gonna lie, my dad's kind of the coolest. He built my room from the attic, like literally out of nothing. If you know about that room, you know. Really hope another feral girl got that room. I never film during the day, and this sun thing's happening right now. It's making me angry. Ordered like this glam closet island type of thing. It's still not delivered. I ordered it like a month ago. It randomly just got turned around and sent back. I guess they just weren't gonna tell me shit because I had to track it down and be like, where is it, girl? They were like, ooh, we'll send you another, whoopsies. That's not how the conversation went. Hopefully I get that soon, because that's gonna go like right behind me and I'll have more storage. Girl's finally getting some PR, and I have way too much stuff for what's in my drawers. I'll do a makeup room tour one day. It's just not in a place that I'm comfortable putting on the internet. It's the shade 130 Light Warm in the House Labs, and it's literally like perfect. My friend's mom has been making me an art piece for this room, and I'm so excited, you guys. It's gonna be so slay. She's already made me a piece in my living room that I love. I'm trying to convince her to make an Etsy store because she's just so talented and she would do so well. But I already know when I put this shit up behind me, you're gonna ask every day, where did I get that? It's one of a kind, ho. This is why I do things at night, okay? It's really ruining my view of what I'm doing. The Rare Beauty Contour is the easiest thing to blend out ever. Shade Solace, and it's like a perfect contour bronzer in between shade. Oh my god, guys, yesterday I drove home from New Mexico, right? An hour and a half away from home. Yay, thank God. Everything's gone a little too well. All of a sudden, a weird notification pops up like, system charger failed. And I'm like, I don't know what the fuck that means. I'm just gonna keep driving. Slowly but surely, every single alarm, things are going wrong, sort of flashing at me on the road. The air conditioning went out. I'm on the phone with my dad and he's like, what's it saying? And I'm like, I don't know, it's saying everything. Like, pulled over on the side of the road. Car won't start again. Will not turn on. So we waited like 2 hours for my dad to show up and come rescue us because the car literally wouldn't work. Apparently the battery in it just like gave out, and I guess that's like a normal thing. Not to me. It was his car, not mine. My car would never. It made me realize like being a girl trapped in a scary situation like that is not fun. Literally every single car that drove too slow, I was like freaking out about. I've never done my makeup like this. I don't know what I'm doing right now, but I think it'll be fine. Gonna make another makeup tutorial tonight when the sun's not in my face. I have so many makeup requests, I don't know where to start. So the most liked makeup tutorial request I'll do tonight. I've been asked to do like a brunette Pam Anderson recreation, a simple glowy prom, wedding, your baby mamas, I don't know. Just comment what you want. Sorry for my little hiatus. You should follow me on Instagram because I'm honestly way too active on my stories. It's so fun. I love Instagram stories. I don't know if any brands go to ACL, but if you do, really want to go this year. I don't care what I have to do, I'm going. Urban Decay sent me like 1,000 of their eyeshadow sticks. I'm really excited about them. I think we're gonna do like a little eye contour moment. This Senescent shade, that's a name and a half. Okay, yeah, with your finger, this is really easy to blend out. I probably should have tried a brush, but I feel like this would work better. I did a brush on this side and it's still blending out really easy. Some on the lower too, but I really like these. The cream shade on the inner corner. Ooh, this is like the shimmery bronzy right at my lash line and call it. I feel like girls who say they're not good at eyeshadow would really like these. I wonder if I can do this as like a little stick highlight moment. Oh my god, I can. Lay, that's beautiful. Literally impossible for me to do mascara without hitting my lid. I just can't do it. I'm dry as hell right now. I hope this fixes it. Oh yeah, that should do the job. Lunge and Road is like my perfect My Lip But Better. People hate on these, but I really like them, okay? Not everything needs to last 10 million hours. So cute, but I think I need a little baby wing, okay? I can't help myself, don't yell at me. Draw like a line and kind of smudge it out with my finger. It's the easiest hack literally ever. You might say I look the exact same. I see the biggest difference. In this sleigh just to go to Home Depot. I hate being an adult. Okay, well, comment what you want to see, and sorry for keeping you waiting. Go follow my Instagram. Bye, baddies.